Last time on Acadian, we set sail from Fort Pierce, Florida to North Carolina, but get detoured to Charleston, South Carolina by some bad weather. We hang out there for a few days, waiting on our next weather window. This episode, conditions have calmed and we continue on our way north. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. All right, what you got to say about Charleston?
Charleston is freaking awesome. Got a lot of good things going for it. I'll definitely come back to Charleston.
So we have a weather window for 2 days.
Yeah.
To get to North Carolina.
Yeah, we have a good window. Good conditions for this boat. Light seas and winds between 10 to 15 knots. Good. Make the best of it, right? Should be in North Carolina on Friday.
Today's Wednesday.
2 overnights, and we'll arrive Friday mid-morning.
What you doing, Jerrod?
Cleaning.
Cleaning what?
Green beans.
So I told Jerrod, you shouldn't put whole pans on the barbecue pit. They could explode. His response was, come on, woman. That's not true. That's what Jerrod's doing now. Green beans went kaboom.
Yeah, green bean can exploded. It's not like a gunshot.
Luckily no one was harmed, except for the green beans. Now make sure you get every green bean. There he is.
See you?
Yeah.
Fish?
Yeah. Big fish, huh? There it went. Oh no, this is fast. There it is. I can't tell. I don't know. We gotta roll up
Alright, well, we got a lot of king mackerel to eat. Should I clean them right now, or should we, should just get it over with, huh?
Might as well. I mean,
We're all filthy.
look at your clothes.
Hey, look at this. Fresh mackerel. Fresh king mackerel on the grill.
Caught 45 minutes ago. What's going on, Ben?
Bringing us into Beaufort Inlet, Beaufort, North Carolina. Yep, check it out. Beaufort Inlet leads into Beaufort, North Carolina and Morehead City. With Cape Fear to the south and Cape Hatteras to the north, massive ocean cliffs drop thousands of feet off of each cape, providing for rich fishing grounds and a sport fishing paradise. Caution must be taken while transiting the inlet. It is recommended you only attempt in calm conditions and slack tide. We were able to plan our approach perfectly and had no issues.
There you go.
So obviously we've made it through our next passage. Right, Holly?
Yep.
Yep. We are anchored out here at Morehead City.
North Carolina. Apparently it's Trump Mecca around here.
Yeah. Yeah, people like their Trump around here, let me tell you. And that's legitimately like, yeah, that's like 5 miles worth of Trump people.
We spend a couple of nights at this anchorage, which other than the Trump parade was pretty calm. We planned on having some family over, so we moved over to a marina to enjoy the air conditioning and catch up on laundry. We were also able to take advantage of the marina's courtesy minivan to get some provisions for the next leg of our trip. How's it feel to drive a car again?
Yeah. It's kind of weird. It's alright. We got this. It's like riding a bike. Sweet minivan. That dude is on empty.
Oh shit, maybe I'll make it back.
Yeah, we should make it back. We're not going far.
So I'd say we're pretty well stocked up, huh, man?
Yeah, we did good. Check engine lights on.
There's a very loud thud every once in a while.
Yeah. So how is it, babe?
We could sell this.
I bet we could. Got some Bloody Marys going with all the fixings. My favorite is the okra. I love pickled okra. And not a lot. You don't want to use a lot of black pepper.
Let them get to room temperature, huh?
Yeah, let them get to room temperature before we cook them. And then garlic powder. Cayenne pepper. What are we cooking with the steaks?
Got stuff to make a salad. I'm gonna do some baked potatoes, some baked beans,
And garlic bread.
and garlic bread.
Nice. Man, we in for an awesome afternoon. But I am enjoying this Bloody Mary, that's for sure. Look at this thing. So what's up, babe? Yeah, it's a pretty sweet day today, huh?
Beautiful day.
Gorgeous out here. Got a nice sunny day. We're loading some new charts. So we had when we purchased this chart plotter, it came with a set of coastal and inland charts for North America, for the United States, not the entire North America, for the United States by CMAP. We've been finding a lot of discrepancies in the charts, so I did some research, and it is an outdated set of charts. So I contacted CMAP, and they gave us a free upload. So that's pretty sweet on CMAP. Good on you guys. So I was really thinking this was going to cost us about $300, or over $300, but no, we got updated charts for free. Hey, what's up?
So what you doing?
Yeah, I'm finding us a good spot to go tonight. So we got to leave this marina. We're gonna go anchor out. We're gonna go to the South River, just off the Neuse River. It's supposed to be a really good spot. A little tight to get into it, but once we're in, we're in.
How long will it take to get there?
I haven't measured the distance. We'll be there, I would think, mid-afternoon.
Leaving North Carolina.
Well, no, we're traveling through North Carolina. We won't be leaving North Carolina for a couple days.
Well, we're leaving Morehead City. Welcome to the Intercoastal. What do you think about Morehead City, Ben?
It's all right. Small town, quaint.
Industrial.
Huh?
Very industrial.
Very industrial. Very country.
I don't think we would have stopped here if we weren't gonna see family.
It was just in the right place for us to stop.
Yeah.
blow up.
No. What type of green beans? It's not just green beans. Anything in a can can't go unopened in the
Anything
barbecue
with a
pit.
liquid. Anything in a can with a liquid in it.
No, anything with a can.
It's a steam explosion. It started boiling and building up right there and kaboom. Dude, that was dangerous though. If that thing hadn't been locked, it could have been bad.
No.
We have-
Spiders just jumped from the ceiling.
We have until 5 o'clock today to go to the pub.
Where'd he go?
I don't know.
He's huge.
He jumped. Oh.
Big old spider.
What do you mean big spider? It's my little jumping spider. It's my friend.
I don't think it was a jumping spider. It was big.
Was it? Oh, there he is. No, I said, whoa. Whoa, where you going, bro? That's not a jumping spider.
No, it's not. I promise.
I got him. I got him.
Alright. Dead spider.
Yeah.